Okay, so everybody asks, can you use a 3D printer to produce practical items? And the short answer is, darn right you can. These are some 3D printed glass-filled nylon brake shoes for a ride-on train for a friend that I got done through Sculpteo, and they need a hinge pinhole drilled in them. So my friend asked if I could knock up a quick fixture so he could stick this on his milling machine and knock the holes out. So sure enough, that's what I did. So I just printed this up in some Geeetech Matte PLA. I did it in the vertical orientation for print strength, and because there would have been supports required to keep the surfaces clean. It has a clearance hole in the middle and some screw down holes, but pretty simple stuff. So the idea is the block slides in there. It's a nice tight friction fit. You can drill the hole, pull it out, put a new one in. So yes, 3D printers can actually do very, very practical stuff.